Children, now in this video we are going to discuss about the chemical equation. Children, chemical equation is the representation of the chemical change with respect to the symbol and the formulae of the different compounds. Here we have taken one example, that is your hydrochloric acid when reacts with sodium hydroxide gives you sodium chloride and water. Children, here you can see hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide are taking part in the chemical reaction and forming two new compounds, that is sodium chloride and water. Therefore, these are called the reactants. Therefore, you can say that what are reactants? Reactants are the substances that are taking part in the chemical reaction. Whereas these two substances are forming in this chemical reaction, that's why these are called the products. Or you can say the new substances that are formed in the chemical reactions are called the products. Children, here you can see we have used two different types of symbols here. Okay, this represents that this and this react to yield this product, whereas this plus shows that we have taken two reactant, this and this symbolize here and. Okay, this hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide reacts to yield sodium chloride and water. Now children, we are going to discuss about the word equation. As here you can see that we have written here the reaction in by their names only. Okay, so these are called the word equation. Similar, another example if we take, that is when iron reacts with sulfur gives you iron sulfide. Okay, here also children you can see we have written the elements in by reaction by their names only. Okay, we haven't used here symbol, that is why this is called the word equation. Children, now we are going to discuss about the molecular equation. Molecular equations are the equations in which the reactant and the products are represented by their symbols. Here you can see that for the iron we have written here Fe, that is the symbol of iron, and similarly for sulfur we have written S, and for iron sulfide we have written FeS. This shows your molecular equation because here the symbols of these elements are used. Okay, if these elements and compounds are used, where Fe and sulfur, that is the iron and sulfur, reacts to yield iron sulfide, and this is your product and these are your reactants.